Hello traders, welcome back to episode 8 of the 5k to 6 figures funded challenge. My transparent journey to scaling prop firm capital from 5k challenge account starting with minimum cost. This week was honestly one of the hardest so far, and yes, I blew my phase 2 account. Let's walk through what happened. There was only one trade for me on Monday. After my entry price went to drawdown, almost stopping me out before reversing to my floating profit around close to 1 hour. However, eventually it hit my stop loss, so I started the week with a losing trade. This was the trade I took on Wednesday. I didn't trade on Tuesday because I wasn't feeling well. So let's look into Wednesday straight away. And this was the only trade I took on the day. After my entry, the price lingered around at my entry level before going into the profit zone. It hit near to my profit target. I didn't close the trade manually. I was waiting for the price to hit my profit target to let my system to fully play out. Unfortunately, the price decided to reverse, stopping me out at a second loss of the week. Moving on to Thursday, I took 2 trades on the day. As for this first trade, I think my mind wasn't clear on that day because I took the trade out of mistake as the entry was way below my entry zone or so-called point of interest, but I still took it without realizing. So mistake was made and the trade ended up with another loss. The second trade of the day is what I deem as a good trade because it followed my trading plan and everything was within my criteria. Unfortunately, it was a losing trade as well. So Thursday ended with another 2 losses. Lastly, on Friday, I took 2 trades as well. For the first trade, after my entry, the price straight away went into my stop loss. So after losing the previous trade, my account at the moment was down by 9%, and I took this re-entry out of emotion. It didn't play out and the maximum drawdown of the account has been breached, so I officially hitting the hard stop, blowing this phase 2 account. So now we are back to the account dashboard. You can see the slope was quite deep. I took 6 losses for the week and the account has been breached or disabled. It sucks, no sugarcoating it, but this is part of the journey I signed up for, to show the real side of trading. Sometimes even when you stick to your plan and take quality setups, it just doesn't go your way. And also I have made certain mistakes along the way. What matters now is how I bounce back, and that's the plan. I'm going to enroll myself to new challenge soon with the lessons from this run fresh in mind. If you have ever blown a challenge account, you know the feeling, but it's not the end. It is just feedback and not failure. So please drop a like if you appreciate the transparency, and subscribe if you are here for the long haul. The journey for six figures funding continues, and I'm not done yet. Thank you for watching this episode. On to the next chapter, and I see you in the next one.